डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम दुबई। उर्वशी के बाद अगर इंडिया में कोई पहुंचा है तो वो सिर्फ बेबी का है। प्लीज भंसाली जी वॉच टू ऑफ अस, आपको अच्छी तवाइफें मिलेंगी मार्केट में। आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन बिग बॉस मराठी?
Because Marathi I would love to do because I'm a Maharashtrian myself, and that is something which would give me a chance to connect with my Maharashtrian audience, Maharashtra ki audience, because I did Hindi and I connected with all India's audience with Hindi.
कैसी हैं पूजा भट्ट रियल में? Like is she
Why would you ask me about that?
because you're a friend, you were a friend, no?
I was, but now I'm totally off. I don't know much.
आसिम एंड फुकरा की लड़ाइयाँ जो हैं आज सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत वायरल हैं, और फुकरा और बेबिका का जो नाम है अक्सर जुड़ता आया है कंट्रोवर्सीज के चलते। लोग कहते हैं आपको बहुत मसला है फुकरा से।
He insulted me, my dentistry, my astrology. He insulted the. We had a legendary Bollywood actress in the show. He insulted her.
What are your thoughts on Rajat Dalal then?
In the show, by far, I have not seen the show. I've only seen reels. So I like the approach when Rajat said ki don't insult a profession directly. So I like that approach.
बोला जाता है कि आप हमारी सस्ती कंगना रनौत भी हैं, बीड़ा उठा के रखती हैं आपकी, कुछ भी गलत आप नहीं सहती, आप हम मोर्चा खोल देती हैं लोगों के खिलाफ। क्या हम मान लें आप कंगना रनौत हैं?
ए छोरे, होश में आजा, तमीज से बात कर, मारे पे हंस रहे से थारे में के लियाकत से, खुद का घर से तेरे से समना को ना।
I love it, you're too good.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with A Adi.
बहुत सारे तमाम गेस्ट्स के बाद आई एम फाइनली हैविंग बेबिका विद मी इन द टॉकिंग स्टेज विद से आदि ऑफ फिल्मी बीट। वेलकमिंग एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम दुबई। उर्वशी के बाद अगर इंडिया में कोई पहुंचा है तो वो सिर्फ बेबिका है। कैसी हैं आप? आज तो फुल उर्वशी अवतार आल्सो आई एम
Oh my God.
Though she said that I'll kill you if you're gonna say that on camera, but I have said it.
I've always been a bling ball. I've always been a blingy larger than
People
life
troll you for
person.
blue eyelashes, all of
Yeah,
that, no?
yeah. I've started putting studs on my upper eyelid also. I've gone into the Dubai bling zone. So yeah, I've got the style statement ever since.
So what are your plan? You wanna become Helen or what?
I would love to. Don't say that. I'll start figuring out how to do another song just like Helen ma'am.
You Helen, you become Helen ji, I'll become Rekha ji, no?
And we'll have a Jugalbandi. Ooh, interesting.
No, Bhansali ji is waiting for us, but still. For all, मुझे लगता है देवदास में भी कोई हमारे लिए तो नहीं
He'll
होगा।
not even allow us to stand on his door, yeah. If we do all this.
But you would be a very good Tawayaf in Bhansali's next.
Thank
Shira
God
Mani
you
too.
said Tawaif ke baad Bhansali is next. I was like, you can be a very good Tawaif. I'm like, what?
Yeah, मतलब कि even I would have been a very good Tawayaf. Please Bhansali ji watch two of us, आपको अच्छी तवायफें मिलेंगी मार्केट में।
Well, I get this compliment a lot that I look like Aishwarya Rai growing up.
Yeah.
And believe me,
The way she edit growing up.
huh?
The way you edit growing up. इससे पहले मेरी ट्रोलिंग हो।
So, any compliment that I've got by far, this has been so close to my heart because I've been a crazy fan of Aishwarya Rai ma'am. And believe me, then I start looking at myself in the mirror like that, ekdam strong, elegant, beautiful lady. Yeah. All those expressions and everything. मर जाती तो मर जाती, आपका क्या चाहता? I've started doing all.
Ooh, very nice, huh? Even Juhi's voice was very different that time.
Yeah.
I remember.
She had a very bubbly, sparkful laughter, like like that, you know. I just love Juhi's. Even Juhi's character, Juhi ma'am's character in Ishq, that's exactly me in my real life. Es Surdas ki aulad, iska paisa kaun bharega? And that's literally me. So it's crazy.
Are you interested in Big Boss Marathi?
Because Marathi I would love to do because I'm a Maharashtrian myself, and that is something which would give me a chance to connect with my Maharashtrian audience, Maharashtra ki audience, because I did Hindi and I connected with all India's audience with Hindi. But I should have started with the regional audience. I really want to connect with them because I have so much in my mind created for the future, some projects coming up which would be so lucratively important for that audience.
What are the terms you have with Pooja Bhatt now?
We are not in talking terms. We are off. She's busy in her life. I'm busy in my life.
What was the fallout?
What was the fallout? I think we have spoken before about this.
But it was not out, no? नया channel, नई बातें, नई headlines. Come on, that's a
It's the old news. It's nothing new.
What happened?
Nothing. Like, we turned very distant because after Big Boss, I went to Dubai. And not just she, but a lot of people like, you're not here for us. Even my parents, they never had the habit of watching me live away from them. You get it? So I was so occupied there. A lot of people got a little distant from me. And then it just, you know, out of sight gets out of mind. That's what happened.
तो बाद में कभी बात ही नहीं हुई तब तक?
नहीं. Everybody got very busy in their own lives, honestly. So after my season, I've hardly met anybody once I went to Dubai.
So कैसी हैं पूजा भट्ट रियल में? Like, is she?
Why would you ask me about that?
Because you're a friend. You were a friend. No?
I was, but now I'm totally off. I don't know much. You know, people keep changing every season. So I don't know much. And I believe that her privacy should be respected. She wouldn't like it if people talk about her behind her back or, you know, take her name anywhere. Yeah, it might offend her.
आसिम एंड फुकरा की लड़ाइयाँ जो हैं आज सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत वायरल हैं और फुकरा और बेबिका का जो नाम है अक्सर जुड़ता आया है कंट्रोवर्सीज के चलते। लोग कहते हैं आपको बहुत मसला है फुकरा से। आप बताएं क्या दिक्कत है आपको फुकरा इंसान से?
तुम्हें बहुत पसंद है?
नहीं,
शर्म है तुमको? मेरे दोस्त हो तुम।
अरे आई एम योर फ्रेंड, कम ऑन।
You cannot like people whom I don't like.
ठीक है, ऑन कैमरा तो नहीं ना। This is my profession, I'm supposed to ask. So what happened?
What happened about what?
Are you enjoying the fights? What's your scene?
What I feel is that no matter what platform you go to, somebody sits on the same ground with you who has achieved more in life, who has been your senior, who have seen the industry better, who has proved themselves in a different credential way, and you're comparatively new. You have no rights to pin down them. You have no rights to be so desperate for fame by putting down their profession or previous profession or anything, and, you know, directly insulting other people's profession. Even he insulted me, my dentistry, my astrology. He insulted we had a legendary Bollywood actress in the show. He insulted her. He insulted Cyrus Brocha in the show. He would just throw insults on people and their work and achievements. That is so disgraceful, crass, and unacceptable. So what he's doing there is also unacceptable. That's a senior. There should be a decorum maintained. And I believe वो जितना line cross करेगा उतना मुँह के बल भी गिरेगा. So that is what I can sense, and I'm not liking how he's being mean or disrespectful to somebody who's
Asim Riaz.
Yeah, of course. And I've liked Asim, honestly, on a personal note. I've liked him even in the show of Big Boss. I liked him because you need a lot to stand up for yourself. You need a lot to have the audacity to speak up what is in your mind, which not everybody else does. You know, people are mostly either diplomatic or pretentious or fake or sugar-coated or using each other. And he's very transparent. He's not that kind of a person. I'm not that kind of a person. And I believe that...
What are your thoughts on Rajat Dalal then?
In the show, by far, I have not seen the show. I've only seen reels. So I like the approach when Rajat said ki don't insult a profession directly. So I liked that approach. Abhi dekhte hain abhi aur
You're my friend, somebody said, and you're not supposed to be friends with the people.
You don't like him? I didn't say I like him. I just felt, I'm telling you honestly.
Clearly evident. People, haven't you seen my reels or what?
Yeah, I've seen you've had issues. I'm not saying I like him as a person. I'm just saying ki when he took a stand and said you should not insult a profession, that was a good thing that he did. Abhi aage pata nahi wo kya aayega reels mein. But whatever it is, it's not acceptable to humiliate somebody who's senior to you, who's done more than you, who's seen the world. It's not nice. No matter where I sit, no matter it's the industry, no matter it's my medical profession, no matter it's my astrological profession, I would never try to pin down somebody stronger, more successful, older, experienced than me just to get fame and get limelight. अरे भाई यही मौका है. I can't do that.
मतलब कि दो ही तरीके, या तो आप आपसे बड़े एक्टर के साथ दोस्त बन के रहो ताकि आप लाइमलाइट में उनकी दिखें, या फिर आप लड़ाई कर लो कि इन दोनों इतना पंगा ले लिया.
वो लाइमलाइट में दिखने का इंटेंशन क्यों है? Just be organic, just be yourself. अगर आपके हिस्से आनी है लाइमलाइट, वो अपने आप आ जाएगी. आप किसी से हमेशा पंगे लेके कंट्रोवर्सी करके अगर फेमस होना चाहते हो तो तुम टैलेंटलेस हो. हमेशा कंट्रोवर्शियली फेमस होना इज zero talent, yaar. I want to be known for my talent. I want to be known for my acting work in future. I want to be known for my songs. I want to be known for my, you know, working as a Indian dentist internationally and representing my country in healthcare. I want to be known for my astrological skills, not for like, ab kisse panga. I don't want all that bullshit.
I totally get that. बट साथ साथ यू नो लॉट ऑफ थिंग जो हैं साथ साथ चल ही रही हैं. बट हाउ वाज योर बिग बॉस की जर्नी? यू नो वो तो हमने देखी, बट अभी
2 साल हो गए उसको, है ना, अभी लगभग.
the journey of watching last 2 seasons, were
I
they
have not
boring to
liked
you?
any of those. They flunked.
Hmm.
कौन सा season hit गया after hours? And I'm telling you, it's gonna take decades to get a good season. I'm really sorry. I'm
No,
not
your
being
season was
superb.
Hmm.
It was. If you speak to any die-hard Big Boss fan, I'm literally walking on the streets of Dubai and then randomly people stop me, baby ka, and they only talk about 2 seasons. Siddharth Shukla season and your season. Siddharth Shukla season and your season. These are the only 2 seasons people talk about. उसके बाद क्या आया क्या गया, nobody knows.
आपको बोला जाता है कि आप यू नो हमारी सस्ती कंगना रनौत भी हैं, बीड़ा उठा के रखती हैं आपकी, कुछ भी गलत आप नहीं यू नो सहती, आप हम मोर्चा खोल देती हैं लोगों के खिलाफ. क्या हम मान लें आप कंगना रनौत हैं?
Who said this? Where is all this coming
Comments.
from? I've never got this upfront on my face.
I'm here for
Yeah.
doing that only.
See, I just believe Kangna is a very
Yes.
feisty, strong, honest,
I love her.
and very strong spined woman. And if I resonate with a woman who's so strong spined, it's a huge compliment for me, honestly. And every human out there should be like that. Every human out there. She's not a snake. You get my point. She's very upfront and she's very out there about what she feels and what she does. So, and she's also succeeding into no matter what she's doing, like acting. She came up with her own movies. She
Yes.
did miraculous work. She got into politics. I mean, I do like her. I love her. I love how she looks. I love how she carries herself. She's funny. I even mimic her at times.
Like, tell me, no?
I've kept it for another show.
No, I'll start. You just add on. मुझे लगा था डॉक्टर है जैसे तैसे इसका गुजारा होता
She's
है
gonna
लंदन
bash
में.
you.
No, I wanted to do in front of her, but I just couldn't do that time when I was entering her for emergency. मैं कहीं मेरे ऊपर ही लगा देगी भाई, you know. So do ना.
ए छोरे, होश में आजा, तमीज से बात कर. मारे पे हंस रहे से थारे में के लियाकत से. खुद का घर से तेरे से समना को ना.
I love it. You're too good at mimicries. I see that. No, we have never explored this on camera.
No, we have. I've not shown that in Big Boss match or any. But I'm good at, especially Kangna. I love her. You know, I love to listen to her also.
Can I talk? Till Andi में चला गया सब. I love her for that thing. And I guess Tanu at Manu.
She's great with her comic timing.
Dude.
I don't know why they were not offering her such great.
I want to have another, you know, sequel of Tanu It's Manu.
So do I. Even Queen.
Yeah.
I want to see Queen too.
Queen तो is fine. Queen तो मुझे depressing बना देती है कि भाई ये क्यों अकेली जा रही है, setting wrong examples to people.
But she's given so much power to girls out there. No matter what happens, as an individual, you're enough for yourself. That is what the movie is radiating out. And I feel a lot of women. Before that, I used to solo travel. Now I've got more, you know, empoweredness.
Enthusiastic,
I have done solo travels. I've not waited for my friends or my boyfriend to take me anywhere. Oh my God, she's doing exactly what I do. So I love that.
And even these two films, you know, Fashion और Heroine, you've seen Heroine, दोनों ही फिल्में बहुत ही commendable तरीके से, you know, presents the
Very empowering.
industry of us that we are into, and we feel like, yeah, this is really a thing, you know, to take care of. जैसे हीरोइन का बड़ा फेमस डायलॉग है जब वो एक एक्ट्रेस जर्नलिस्ट को बोलती है कि भूलो मत कि हमारी दोस्ती, एक्ट्रेस की दोस्ती तुमसे नहीं तुम्हारी पोजीशन से होती है. It's like that, you know, and that is so true. I have changed brands and I've seen people changing to me. Actors that, you know, were friends or are friends, they have changed towards me as well. People like you have been very constant no matter where I go.
Thank God. If you say you've changed, mic फेंक के मारेगा तेरे को.
नहीं, people like you have been very constant no matter where I go.
See, whenever I come to Mumbai, the first person I'm like, if I want to give a couple of interviews or get into, I'll be honest, get into the limelight, be relevant, but go out there and be like, okay, I exist. Don't forget me, because I live outside the country. I live in another country. So you're the first person I think of.
I know.
And I don't even tell my PR team कि अरे आदि से बात करो. I directly speak to you. I'm like, Adi.
I guess they don't even know that we are doing it today. Dude, उनको पता है. Hey भगवान, she's gonna kill me after this. But you are in Dubai. 2 साल हो गए है ना हमें इंटरव्यूज करते हुए, बिग बॉस से आपको बाहर आए हुए. मुझे 2 साल मुंबई में हो रहे हैं मार्च के, you know, अभी 23-24 तारीख को 2 साल कंप्लीट हो चुके. तो पर अभी भी हम सिंगल हैं.
Oh God, where are you? कहाँ हथौड़ा मार रहा है तू? बहुत हो गया. I'm leaving.
That's why you like me and the very first guy to do interviews with. Why? What is wrong with us? You have to done my face readings also. क्या हो रहा है?
Adi, we are very deep souls, yaar. We are people who really believe into the old school kind of love. We are not those shady, new, kind of, shallow-hearted people. मेरे लिए literally having a man in my life is like I'm done and dusted. I want to have a family. I want to get married. I'm done. But we need to find people, somebody of the same vibration. I'm a high vibrational soul. Let me tell you. And what are the traits of a high vibrational soul? You can easily open up to me. People love to share their life in front of me. Kids love me. Animals feel safe and loving towards me. And I just irritate toxic people wherever I enter. I just have to enter a space of toxic people. They are irritated by my existence. Just stand there. So these are high vibrations. I want somebody who's also a high vibrational soul. And if I don't get one, I'm not settling for less. It's either more, equal, but not less. So maybe I'm looking for my replica and या तो कोई सही या कोई नहीं. Hey, we need that on a t-shirt. कोई सही या फिर कोई नहीं.
मिलेगा ही नहीं.
Don't say that.
Have you been on dating applications and all? Have you tried in Dubai?
I've been on Bumble. Honestly, Dubai, initially when I entered, I saw handsome guys around me. Some of them were rich, some of them were broke. But eventually I realized it's not the right place to have a life partner with. It's just the...
Where, you want to go to jeevansathi.com or what?
No. I don't want to go to those.
By the way, a lot of people's Jeevansathi is also not working anymore.
I've never gone to those. I'll go to Seema Taparia auntie. She knows me very well. But I just feel arranged marriages or such, marriage alliances, उसमें क्या होता है ना, they look at more over how businessfully fruitful it is rather than soulfully. तो वो चीज़ मुझे थोड़ा, I go a little aback कि I get taken aback कि अभी क्या बोलूँ मैं. आजकल लोग शादी कम सौदेबाजी ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं ना.
True. But Babika, the world has changed a lot, and we've been talking about how love has changed, the meanings of it. Whatever we do, we pour our heart out, but we fail every time. So, have you learned it now, or it's like, ठीक है, अभी क्या करें?
I haven't really had many relationships in my life. I've been this boring single girl for a long time, focused on her career, earning money, keeping her parents happy, spending time with her besties and her dog, and वैसी. You get my point. So I haven't really been through heartbreaks or all that emotional turmoil, and it's good that I haven't. I'm very celibate. I don't know if people know what is the meaning of celibate.
No,
never married and not sexually active for a very long time.
Okay.
My father's gonna kill me for saying all this on camera. But I've been very celibate, and I've got so comfortable into being that. Pata nahi. I just hope it doesn't turns out to be the permanent thing of my life.
बुढ़ापा अच्छा चाहिए ना, अनूप जलोटा टाइप्स ऐसा.
Who's Anup Jalota?
ऐसी लागी लगन मेरा.
I have no clue whom you're talking about. But I just
Come on, he was in Big Boss also. With the girl he came, no? Remember? He's popularly known as that popularly known as the old age guy. बुढ़ा उसकी ऐसे मीम है कि बुढ़ापा चाहिए तो अनूप जलोटा टाइप्स का, because he gets. Anyway, so that is the thing. Oh my God, I'm gonna get killed after this.
You need to stop. This is what you do when you're next to me.
I tell you,
मारेगा, मेरे को भी मारेगा. Does he speak like that in front of everyone? देखा? नालायक, निकम्मा, नपावट.
What is napawat?
I don't know. It's a Gujarati gali.
Why you Gujju you have dated or what?
No, I've got a new Gujju bhabhi.
Who?
My younger brother got married before me, and I've got a Gujju bhabhi.
आपको नहीं शर्म आए कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे घर में, मेरे से पहले
ये हो क्या रहा है मेरी जिंदगी के साथ? ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है मेरे साथ. ये डालेगा तू?
Of course. Do you think I'll cut this? Of course not.
So I've got a new bhabhi, and yes, my younger brother got married before me, and I'm proud of the fact that he got married before me. He settled down, and I think I can take my sweet time. I don't know for how long. The pressure is women have a biological clock.
Yes.
But it's okay.
That was I was coming on to. Okay, have you given your eggs to be frozen and anything like that?
I haven't yet.
But
because I've being into the medical profession, I've studied that if you give your eggs into freezing, and if they die by the time you want them to be fertilized and you want a baby, if they die, वो पूरा पैसा waste.
तो that is okay, but भाई ठीक है, अभी क्या करें फिर?
So then conclusively you have nothing left ना.
Hmm.
So I just believe कि rather than getting into all this and overthinking, if the time comes, let it happen. There are women who are giving birth at the age of 40, yaar. Relax.
Seema Heather has also given birth to her.
Deepika Padukone had conceived a baby girl at the age of like 38, right? Come on, relax, yaar. Itna tension nahi lene ka.
Even Farah,
I've
for
not
that
even
matter.
turned 30. Like I've just stepped on 30 now. So I think I'm for 5 more years. I'm like, उसके बाद I'll be like, Adi, I need to find a good person in my life. उसके बाद maybe. Now you'll see me chillaxed.
What all reality shows next up?
So I've done Big Boss, I've done Reality Ranis of the Jungle. Now I don't want to do something which is all about controversies or fights or all that toxicity. I want to do something very creative,
Laughter
productive.
Chef and all.
Laughter Chef, Master Chef on Sony, and there's Laughter Chef on Colors. I really love the concept. They're so joyfully enjoying. They're pulling each other's leg. They're just loving each other's company, and then they're also making something so productive. They're learning. Even Master Chef, it's like on a different level. They're making such Michelin star dishes
Yeah.
and they're getting judged by the world-renowned chefs of India. So imagine they're turning celebrity master chefs. I mean, I love the concept, whoever came up with it. And I would want to do something like this. Even Khatro, after doing Reality Ranis, I think I would want to go for Khatro. I've eaten goat eyes and balls and what all. So अभी तो क्या ही है, like अभी थोड़ा ना pump up मिल गया to do खतरों after doing Reality Ranis. But I'll tell you one thing. When I did Reality Ranis, I was bullied a lot for my appearance because other girls were super fit. They were physically trained. They were practical athletes, police women, trek leaders, and the women who look after themselves in shape and tone. I was bullied a lot for my appearance, but I've literally climbed a 12 feet pit. I've climbed a hill which is 90 degree, not even easy, like a mountain goat. You've seen mountain goats tiptoeing through rocks without a harness or rope or protection. I've raced in the jungle, crossed mountains and rivers in the scorching heat. I've slept on the ground of the jungle and gone through the ruthless, life-threatening cold. Because I was in the Garib camp, if you remember the concept of the show. I've gone through it all. And I believe, now I just saw real people are just holding a dumbbell and fracturing their arm. Boys are doing that. And shamelessly they're fracturing their arm, and then the way they talk, bhai, we've gone through worse. Being women, we've gone through worse situations, and we still don't have the audacity to pin down somebody who's senior or experienced or who's done bigger than us. Like, on what grounds are they behaving like this?
True. But you have become a writer as well. You're writing a very good film that we both have talked a lot of. So, any lights on that?
Yes, I'm writing. If I speak too much, then I reveal too much. So, yes, I've written a very good story. And by God's grace, it's been appreciated. It's been accepted by a renowned, filmmaker. And things are into pipeline. And hopefully, मुझे लगता था बस पिक्चर लिखी, बनाई, मिल गए और बन गई. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
It's a long process.
It's a long process. It's an insanely long process. If you see, even Ashish Chanchlani is making a movie, right? And he's working on it since like more than a year now. And I think I'll also have to understand, be patient, and go in the process. But it's very dear to me because I'm writing it and I'm featuring in it, and it's the first ever project of mine.
Yeah.
Into the world of cinema and movies. So let's see.
But पापा से करवाई फिल्म के बारे में बात की पापा
My
के लिए
dad
भी-
is not concerned about my acting career. He's only concerned about my dental career and my personal life.
and astrology career, because
Yes.
the only gaddi that your father has
I
has
thought,
to be.
of course, but he's still like, no, but the sons, even now he's like, the sons should take the gaddi. I'm like, shush.
Son is not interested what to do about it.
No one's interested. They're not even, see, I would be happy if my brother would take up the legacy. But he should also be अंदर से interested, अंदर से passionate about it. You can't force somebody to do something just because he's the boy child, So yeah, that is also like, I've got so many things going on in my life. I have to prove myself within my family. बाहर की दुनिया तो बात की बात है.
But what are the ways of reading faces? Any nuances that you can share with us?
So what I do is I do face reading, I do palm reading, I do numerology, and I do kundli. So I merge up all those aspects and then I make the readings. So when I'm just sitting and I'm reading your palm, of course there are palm readings and there's face reading. These are two aspects. And when I ask you your birthday, then in my head I've made your kundli and your numerological chart. So I link up everything.
How we make the numerological chart?
Numerological chart is your birth date, so your destiny number and your birth date number. So I'm 26 June, so I'm practically a number 8. And you are?
9.
You're number 9. Super stubborn, super ziddy, super gutsy also. And I'm number 8, so we like go through, हमें बहुत तपा जाता है, you know, we are very going through a lot of struggle, and everybody underestimates it. And then sudden there's a boom. That is what happens with number 8. Like even Modi ji is number 8. So you can understand, like working as a chai wala to Sida Pradhan Mantri. These are the kind of leaps that we make. So this is the birth date, but my destiny is 9. What is your destiny number?
That I don't know. How do I
9
find that?
July.
2002. I've revealed my
4
age.
plus 7. What is 4 plus 7? 11.
I don't know, 10, 11.
2 plus 9.
20.
2 plus 9 is?
11. 9, 2, 11.
11. So you're number 2. Acha, so your destiny number is number 2. It's a very lucky number. You've got a good scope into whatever you do. Professionally also. Personal life thoda.
She is the one who has said that I'll have a failed marriage and I'll have 2 marriages. तब से जो मुझे डर लगा है देश दुनिया में.
I don't even remember when I said that.
Last when I was
Why you're revealing?
No,
but you know, he's the only one who doesn't take anything personally or hates me for saying what it is. Or doesn't judges me or doesn't, you know, like other people, like थोड़ा उनके बारे में सच बोल दो और तिलमिला जाते हैं.
Why too?
हाँ, तो maybe he takes it in a sense कि यार I could work on things, right?
Yeah. Of course.
I'm making you pre-aware of what is coming next, so you could work on certain things. I'm not against
And you suggested that I'll be married in 26. I'm already turning 23. I'm like, too much of
3 साल में you'll get somebody. But I also suggest if I see people who have signs of 2 marriages, शादी का योग होता है. पहला योग, दूसरा योग, जिसकी 2 शादी है. तो पहले योग में जिस एज में मैं बोलूंगी ना, इस एज में आपका पहला योग है शादी का, तभी मत करना.
Okay.
तभी मत करो. Don't fall impulsively into the marital alliance. तो wait, फिर second योग आएगा तभी करना. Then it's a success. Then you don't have divorces.
Oh, very nice.
It's like that. योग होते हैं सबकी लाइफ में ना. ये एज होता है कि अभी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग चांस है. अगर कर ली तुमने और अगर मल्टीपल मैरिजेस है तो वो डेफिनेट टूटेगी. अगर नहीं है, कुछ लोग की लाइफ में एक ही मैरिज होती है और जिस एज में होनी है उसी एज में होती है. आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर लो उससे पहले शादी करने की, नहीं होगी. सो इट्स लाइक
And what is my lover's number? Like, if is there a way to find that?
I wouldn't say lover's number, but I can say which numbers can be compatible with you.
Like 9 के साथ कौन-कौन से होते हैं?
9 के साथ 8 है. 9 के साथ 4 है. 9 के साथ 1 भी है. 8 के साथ 1 नहीं है.
8 के साथ 1 नहीं है.
हाँ. So 9 के साथ 1 है. Then all your multiples also. 6 is also, 3 is also good for you.
But 8 is the bestest that I can ever have.
With 9, yeah. You've read about it?
No, I'm just guessing it, I
Yeah,
guess.
8 and 9 is a good combo.
Because I've dated somebody of
Yeah,
8.
8 and 9 is a good combo, but both of you guys are very stubborn. And
that
9,
is the issue.
Yeah, and 9 is also very dominating or meri chale. 8 is also dominating and meri chale. So that is clash of the titans kind
But
of.
that is also like, but they're South and North Pole in terms of liking things.
Yeah, but wisdom 8 में ज़्यादा है. Yeah.
That is the
So
thing.
they'll mother you, and you'll be the baby.
Have you ever found your number?
Found my number. I'm 8 na.
No, otherwise.
Otherwise, somebody like what?
Have you dated your destiny wala number ever?
I have not dated people of my compatibility. I'm telling you now, I'm not open to dating only. I want to like give some time for my personal life because अभी बहुत हो गया. How much hustle, how much. I'm so like एक property ले ली, एक और ले लिया है. ये बिजनेस भी सेट करना है, ये प्रोजेक्ट भी करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. I've got less time. Oh my God, I've got few more years. And when you're a woman now, you age faster than boys.
Yeah.
You've got estrogen. So वो स्ट्रेस रहता है. And then I feel कि यार शादी और प्यार तो हो जाएगा एक वक्त पे. लेकिन ये जो टाइम होता है ना आपका वाइटल ईयर्स, ये अभी एनर्जी है, अभी ज़ील है, अभी पैशन है, वो बाद में नहीं आता है. बाद में you'll go all relaxed. I don't want to get into my comfort zone. So I am ambitious, but of course I'm a little balanced. तो yeah, I am open to dating.
Finally, she said yes to
Dating,
at least.
not dating, marriage practically.
मेरे बस चले मैं तो कल कर लूँ बहन पर
30 साल की हो गई हूँ अभी, क्या डेटिंग? आई एम नॉट अ टीनेजर.
सेम
वी नीड कमिटमेंट. कमिटी नहीं, मुझे कमिटमेंट चाहिए.
कमिटी नहीं
कमिटी नहीं, मुझे कमिटमेंट चाहिए, समझे? तो
समझ गया मैं. बस जैद से बात होती है.
जैड से थोड़ी बहुत बात होती है. वी सी ईच अदर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. इट्स ऑल कूल एंड नाइस. आई थिंक ही इज इन यूरोप, एज आई टोल्ड यू. ही इज नॉट.
Yeah.
If he was in Dubai, maybe I could have hanged out with him. And I feel he's in a very good state of mind
Life.
there. Yeah, I think he's enjoying. I see his stories and stuff. He looks very happy.
What is in Dubai? Like every celeb is going there, you know, spending.
See, it's tax free. So for a professional like me, I don't know about other celebs what they do there, because they don't have degrees, they don't have qualifications.
Are you talking about Urvashi Rautwala directly?
You told me there are so many. Why are you pinpointing her unnecessarily,
no.
bichari?
ठीक है.
There many people are going, but none of
She's
them.
the first woman to go Dubai. Do you know that?
Huh? I'm not buying that.
ठीक है.
I'm the first
She's the
woman.
first woman from mountains.
Oh.
You
No,
know,
there are many. in
Everything
industry.
she does becomes the first. No, like that.
Oh, okay. I get it. I get the meme.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
फिर
So a lot of celebs go there, but they only go, what I see, because I'm a resident there. I'm working there professionally as a doctor, board certified for the Dubai Health Authorities, DHA and MOH and HAD certified doctor. A lot of
all the
people like-
trollers who trolls her, you don't even know the full forms of it. by the way.
all these are all healthcare authorities of Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ras Al Khaimah and Sharjah. Like, how many Emirates are there? You guys don't even know that. So I really love that country. I love the Emirates because there is no tax. Whatever I earn, I take that home. Secondly, even if it's expensive, I'm paying a lot to live in a city, and I live near Burj Khalifa, 5 minutes from Burj Khalifa in Business Bay. But I don't regret that. Why? Because I get a good standard of living, यार. अच्छी quality of life मिल रही है तो इंसान खर्च करने से क्यों कतरा है? But वही चीज तुम मुंबई में खर्च करवाओ, क्या मिल रहा है? क्या मिल रहा है? It's very disappointing. I'm not trying to diss. Mumbai is where I was born and raised. It's my matrabhumi. It's my karma, dharma, everything. My family lives here. You get my point. I love Mumbai, but I feel bad that I spend the same amount here also and there as well. There's a little higher, but still I get what I ask for. So the lifestyle is very good. The safety and security, the amount of trolling, bashing, slut shaming women, abusing women verbally, psychologically, just to get famous, all this that happens in India. हिम्मत करो दुबई में करने की, रातों रात गला काट के फेंक देंगे. हिम्मत करो. Maybe I even go there because of the sense of security and safety. So I love to live there.
But you have friends there?
I am eventually making. I'm also new there, na? So the same year I moved to Dubai, the same year Big Boss happened. Now I've been working from Ras Al Khaimah to I moved to Dubai now. And I'm working there in Al Barsha. I'm talking so much. Anybody who wants dental treatments in Al Barsha, they can come to me. And simultaneously, I'm also handling celebrity property portfolios.
Oh.
A lot of my celeb friends have approached me that you've bought properties in Dubai, and I'm very passionate about investing in Dubai. I'm going up for my second property also. I've already planned everything. Paisa. Paisa. So I'm really helping people to find the right investments in Dubai.
ठीक है. With that note, your message to people. We've talked too much.
Yeah.
Very much. गला वाला काट दिया भाई इससे आज तो कैमरा पे. इसके बाद जो मेरी बात लगने वाली एडिट पर. But your message, because we want to see more and more, baby. I don't know about others. I don't want to see, of course.
Yes. I so want to do more and more shows. I want to come up with my movie. I so want your support and love, guys. Especially महाराष्ट्रची ऑडियन्स तुमच्यासाठी करते. मी जे करते आणि तुमचं प्रेम आहे हवंय मला. म्हणून मी सांगते लाईक जय महाराष्ट्र. अँड आय एम अ मुंबईकर. आय एम अ प्रॉपर मराठी मुलगी. तुमच्या प्रेमासाठी खूप खूप अप्रतिम मेहनत करते मी. अँड थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी अँड pour your love and support always. Love you guys.
Keep watching us on Film Beats podcast, जिसका नाम है The Talking Stage with us याद है. Today we had बेबी का जिसने कमेंडली क्या होता है, जिसने कमेंडेबल तरीके से बहुत ही अच्छे जवाब हमें दिए.
मेरे सामने आदि की भी बोलती बंद.
हम दोनों ज्यादा ही खुल जाते हैं,
बहुत
तो
खुल गए
हमें
हैं.
जुबान पे ताला लगाने की जरूरत पड़ती है. We are too filter out when we are with each other. But thank you so much. Keep watching us.